Hi dear viewers, it's Sasha and Peter here, and so we just put together our rudder pedals.
Woo! Rudder!
Yeah, so basically these parts come, this corner is fully here, and that doesn't work because then they don't clear. Wait, which way do they don't clear? Yeah, like for instance here they would interfere.
If like we left them,
If
see
left,
there's a corner that Peter cut out. Yeah, if we didn't cut it out, they would interfere.
And then similarly on the other end, hang on a sec. Yeah, there, like that.
Yeah,
here.
Totally would interfere.
This corner also needed to be cut out. We haven't put the bushings here because it's not the final assembly, but what we wanted to show is that in these pedals, not only as the manuals say you have to cut edges of these guys by about 4 millimeters, so this one and that one, it needs to be cut, shortened that way by 4 millimeters. Sorry, this one and
You're trying to show, yeah, that back one,
yeah,
right?
actually, these ones.
Yeah,
so
those.
that needs this and that needs to be cut.
So
like
they don't.
It needs to be shorter, narrower by 4 millimeters. There.
So they don't interfere with those bolts.
So they don't interfere. It's not even the bolts. It's these things.
Yeah, those
so
edges.
Otherwise, they, like roughly here, they would interfere. See, like
Cool.
the clearance there is about, I don't know, it's 2. It says it should be at least 3 millimeters. I think it's about like right 2.5 to 3 millimeters here, and then similarly on here. Yeah. So basically, long story short, we had to cut this thing by 3 millimeters.
And we cut those sexy looking
by 3
corners.
millimeters and the corners.
Yeah. But look, guys, look, from the first try, our pedals are super smooth.
Yeah, the pedals move pretty smoothly. Thanks for Katya and Gustavo's assembly of this last weekend.
And thanks to Taft for not making those tolerances super hella tight.
Yes. And then this one looks.
Look, pedals. So yeah, we just wanted to share this very important milestone with you all. Hope you're having a good day.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.